5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good Life Ministry in association with Azure College is presenting to you what you've all been waiting for. It's not the first, it's not the second, it's not the third, it's the official 4th annual Haitian Gospel Festival at the Senator Gwyn Magolis Amphitheater Park, located at 16501 Northeast 16th Avenue, next to the 163rd Walmart, behind the North Miami Beach Library, with live performances by Révélation Mizik, UGB, El Shama, Les Amis de Jésus, Réflexion, Yada Praise from West Palm Beach, One Purpose Worship Team, Julien Janvier, Evans Iglesias, Sekanid, Pasteur Whitmark, Katpakat.
Saint-Esprit, c'est con la vie.
Oh, Bosquito, sors là. Qui t'aime finir avec réclame non. Brother Max, Fire Worship Team, Agape and Higher Ground Dance Ministry, and many, many more, all waiting for you. March 10th, 2012, the 4th annual Haitian Gospel Fest at the Senator Gwyn Magolis Amphitheater Park. And for all the parents, this day of praise and worship, we also have fun time for the kids between 3 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. where they have bounce houses, field activities, prize giveaway. That's right, the 4th annual Haitian Gospel Festival. Admission only, $10 in advance. $10 in advance, and at the gate $5 for the kids. There's a me, God don't be I. Showtime starts at 5 p.m. That's right, come enjoy a great time in the Lord's name with family and friends at the 4th annual Haitian Gospel Festival at the Senator Gwyn Magolis Amphitheater Park, located at 16501 Northeast 16th Avenue. For vendoring and more information, call 786-487-6178 or 786-344-6805.